let's take a quick look at HBAR. So right now, HBAR is looking very bullish. We did hit 30 cents like a few hours ago. We are printing three green candles. This right here is very bullish. If we can close above the price of 28 cents in the next 16 hours, we are looking very bullish. And let's see if we can break 40 cents. So we did hit 40 cents back in January. And if that candle closes green, we will push up to 40 cents. Also, something else that I found very interesting. Let's check out the DXY. So the DXY, the US dollar index, and the US dollar is crashing very bad. It's down more than like 10% since January. So it's down. Let's pull out a ruler. And let's see, we are down 11% since January. In the past 8 months, we are down. And this is because people are expecting rate cuts and people are trying to front run the US dollar. And we are buying crypto and stocks because we know that rate cuts are coming. Since rate cuts are coming, people will try to front run the US dollar. And that's one of the reasons why the US dollar is crashing. So also something that I want to show you guys today is Bonzo Finance. So on Bonzo Finance, we can leverage our HBAR. It's over here to the screen. So Bonzo Finance. So Bonzo is built on the Binance chain. Let's launch the app. So Bonzo Finance works best with Hashpack. So Hashpack is a wallet for HBAR. Let me share the screen. So here we go. So there are a few options to connect to Bonzo. So the best option is Hashpack, but your other option is also MetaMask. But in this case, let's use our Hashpack wallet. So let me share the screen for Bonzo. Okay. So let me log into my Hashpack wallet real quick. Okay, I'm in. So up here, we connect our wallet, Hashpack, and I pair it over here. And that's connected. So on my Hashpack wallet, I have about 38,000 HBAR. Here we go. So this is my HBAR wallet. So on Bonzo, we can get a loan on our HBAR. So on Bonzo, right now, I have about 46,000 HBAR. And we supply more to the ecosystem here. And then we can go down here and get a loan on our HBAR. So we can borrow. And let's say that we have to fix our car breaks down and we need $1,000. Go here and borrow 1,000 HBAR. Or I mean, if you need $1,000, right? That would be a lot more HBAR. See, 5,000 HBAR. Would that be? Yeah, so like about 4,500 HBAR. See, the best part is our APY is 2%, and there are no loan terms. If your health factor falls under 1, it gets risky because if you don't pay back that HBAR, then Bonzo will keep your HBAR, which then that's not good. So make sure that this health score does not fall under 1. If it does, Bonzo will keep your HBAR. But like I said, there's an APY. It's impossible to find at a bank and no loan terms. Like that's amazing. So let's supply some HBAR to the ecosystem. So supply more, and then I will supply the max amount for my Hashpack wallet. So we will earn 0.33 APY, and that APY is not US dollars, HBAR, which basically we are earning free HBAR. So let's apply the ecosystem. So I have to sign it over here on my end. So approve. It's executing. Yeah, it should go through any second now. Transaction finally went through, and we now have 84,000 HBAR here on Bonds of Finance. So we can go over here and we need money, borrow some HBAR, borrow like 30,000 HBAR, which would be $8,977. But our health score would fall to 1.91, which is getting kind of low to the one. But yeah, this is a simple way to borrow money on your HBAR or use your HBAR as collateral. Anyways, that's what I have to show for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.